Team Blue Dreams, we're out doing a little practice fishing. Just caught that, what was it, 512?
13.
513, just caught that. Very nice, let it go. We're about to let it go. Awesome job. I actually caught that one, believe it or not. Where was that the other night? All right, swam off, perfect. Thank you, T.
424.
424. Terrell just caught this beautiful toad. Second, well, that's about your fourth fish of the day, but first real nice one there. I had a 513 earlier, but we caught several fish just out practicing a little bit, and a very nice fish there. Before you throw it back, let me get a good picture of him. All right. I didn't even save my other fish there. You know how to do it? All right.
I didn't save it, no, I just...
All right, hold on. Team Blue Dreams doing a little fishing. Terrell's been tearing them up. Had a 4-pounder earlier. What was it? 4 what?
4.3.
4.3, and that beauty, we haven't weighed it. Oh, we're about to weigh it. See what it is. Fishing with Norbert, he makes that look so easy. He takes his scale and flips it up in the air and catches it, and is it on? Because it should beep when it...
£2, 3 ounces.
2, 3.
12, almost 2.4.
2, 3, and the other is 1 of 2. So Terrell just caught a second one real quick. We're about to put a weight on it. Put the poles down, trying to hold us up for a little bit. We're out on Lake Summit, fishing a little bit.
£3, 10 ounces.
310. Then you hit select and then enter. And the one on the other, yeah, that should put it in there. All right, let's get that back in. Nice. What was it? 3 what?
310.
310, that's great. And he just had a 2, nice 2 something, right?
It said 2.3, but I think it was a little bigger. That's all good.
Yeah, there we go, letting that baby go. All right, nice, very nice. Lake Summit's being nice. All right, peace, love, and joy. I'm out of here. Did y'all like that, Lake Summit? All right, Terrell at it again. Let's see this way. He just caught another one. Yeah, now we're out here on Spirit Lake.
£3, 7 ounces.
3.7. He's been tearing right. 3.7. I want to get a picture of that before you do it. All right, out here on Spring Lake.